This decision by the Florida Supreme Court delivers a major blow to the state attorney's office. Aramis Ayala has only been on this job for 8 months, and with 3 years left in her term, there are questions tonight about what her office can accomplish going forward. Investigative reporter Christopher Heath continues our team coverage for us. Chris, live in the studio. And Chris, it is hard to say this isn't an office that's been diminished.
Greg, it's important to keep in mind that capital murder cases are just a very small fraction of the total caseload coming through this office. However, they're usually the most heinous and high profile, and for now, they're out of her hands. What's next for Orange Osceola State Attorney Aramis Ayala?
Good morning. Welcome to the Florida Supreme Court.
After losing in the Supreme Court, Ayala seemingly out of options, and the 29 death penalty cases taken from her won't come back. This is a brutal decision for Aramis Ayala.
Saying brutal is an understatement.
Former Chief Judge Belvin Perry says the decision strikes at the heart of what a state attorney is supposed to be, calling into question her understanding of Florida law.
Her status as state attorney as a result of this opinion by the Florida Supreme Court diminishes her throughout this state and throughout this circuit.
Late today, Ayala's office issued its own statement saying she would set up a panel to review cases eligible for the death penalty. Her attorney followed with his own statement saying the creation of the panel would be, quote, well within the Florida Supreme Court's ruling, and all cases should be returned to her and no further cases should be removed from her. Judge Perry doubts if much can be done to recover, though, from this ruling.
But you got to ask yourself, what does this opinion do for the morale of this particular office?
Late today, I got a phone call from State Representative Bob Cortez. He's traveling in Puerto Rico. His district, though, includes the northern part of Orange County, and he renewed his call for Ayala to be suspended. Now, so far, he's the only member of the Orange Osceola delegation that has taken that step, although others could come forward in the weeks to come.